If you've discovered mold in your home or business in Mesa, you need help today, not next week. Mold doesn't wait. Once moisture is present, mold can begin growing within 24 to 48 hours and spread rapidly behind drywall, under flooring, inside your HVAC system, and through your attic. The longer you wait, the more expensive the damage becomes. That's why ALM Services offers emergency mold removal in Mesa, Arizona, with same-day response available for homeowners and businesses across the entire Phoenix metro area. When you call ALM, a licensed, bonded, and insured remediation team arrives quickly, performs a full moisture inspection to find visible and hidden mold, sets up professional containment to stop spores from spreading, and removes contaminated materials safely using commercial-grade HEPA filtration equipment. Every technician at ALM is certified through IICRC, OSHA, and EPA in mold remediation, so you can trust that the job gets done right the first time. Don't just take our word for it. Reagan Rowell said ALM Services did an outstanding job with the mold remediation. From start to finish, their team was professional, thorough, and efficient. Stephanie Anderson said, ALM came to my home to test for mold and help me resolve the issues with the removal and replacement of my popcorn ceilings, always fun. With over 30 years of experience, ALM Services is Mesa's trusted name in emergency mold removal. Call us now at 602-257-8000 or visit almservices.construction.